it doesn't have that piece that's exposed. So it'll be fine. Now we just got to wiggle it back in here. See, back in there, I have to go back a little bit too close on the front. There it goes. It just dropped down in there. Now you want to slide the pipe into the hole here before you put the pipe dope on, because when you slide it in here, it'll take all the pipe dope back off. So now you want to get the pipe dope going. Now when you thread this in here, of course you want to make sure it's threading in there straight. So first of all, I'll give it a couple twists with the channel lock, which I think I'm going to probably be able to just do it like this. So now, move the gas line back up. There it goes. Now if it's leaking at all, which it's not, I know it's not, but if it is, I'll smell it before I leave, because I'm going to be here for a little while longer putting the wiring back together. And gas is so pungent that if it's leaking, and it only has to be leaking a minute amount for you to be able to smell it, so. But it's not a very big deal. Let's go with those dummy plugs first. There's one of those. There's the other one. As long as that flame sensor isn't touching like I told you, we'll be okay. Let's get it wired up. And then you got this little thing with the jumpers. Let me peel that back off of there. This is the speed control wires here. That one there, and then that one goes in the top, and it just jumps to the other one, so it's not that big a deal. Okay, and then you got the black one, which is the unused one that you can use for future use. That goes in the bottom right there. And then you've got your spark wire, which goes right there. That's it. Gas is on. Everything's wired up. Let's go fire it up. There it goes. Now that'll run until it gets to a certain temperature, and then it'll kick on the blower. And we're just going to wait for that, of course. And there it goes. I'll just sit here and wait it out. You know, I'll go take a couple puffs off my vape and let it run for, you know, like 10 minutes or so, just to make sure. But the flame's running real nice, it's burning real clean, so I don't think there's going to be a problem with it. Then all you got to do is close up the door, put the ductwork back on, and you're done. Alright boys, thanks for watching.